Okay, today, another vlog. We're going to see my cousin's bunny rabbit. The bunny rabbit. Hey, they're so cute. Do you like the camera? Hey, can you keep quiet?
They're babies.
Hey.
Who is touching
No one
my
is
bunny?
touching it. Who say what?
Okay, can
What
you
are
help?
you- what are
I
you-
said, can you help me out?
No.
No other way I can get there.
What are you doing?
I don't want to do it.
Well, go ahead.
I can't. Too steep.
Too steep. Well, how are you gonna get down? That's the only way.
Wait, bring that crate over here.
Yeah, okay. You know that thing?
I can't get down.
Where do you want it?
Just right at the corner. Like right
On this corner?
on the tower.
Don't worry, you can't break it. Hard plastic. You can't break it.
I can't get there.
Just
I'm calling them. Wait, I'm going to tie it.
look.
I can't do that.
Well, that's probably good. That's probably not very
It's
smart.
way steeper than it looks.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you can get down that.
I'm not jumping. I'm not jumping anyway. Can't you lift him down? Wait a minute.
Probably not.
Tires. That's what I just said. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. No one ever listens to me. Bunny cages. That would be the stupidest idea ever. Like ever.
Dropping down here would be the stupidest idea ever.
She said on the bunny cages, they'll break.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty stupid.
I know.
Well, see you when you get down.
Am I that tall? Can I make it go?
You just gotta try to like leave yourself down by your hands on that rail, that edge. Hold my foot
Oh
against.
my God, up here. I'm jumping.
All right. I guess we got two topics for this week.
Breaking a leg, Drew.
Yep, Drew breaking a leg, vlog 5
Wait,
or 4, something around there.
you're not gonna do it right in the ice, are you? No, who?
No, that is ice.
I don't think I can make it down anyway.
There's no ladder here.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
Go look over behind that tree.
I thought you meant they were like on the barn.
Wait a minute. Just a minute. Yeah?
Drew, are you getting down yet?
I can't.
Why not?
Yeah, grab that.
Oh.
How will that help?
Hey, Kate.
Just hold on to it.
Okay.
No.
Hold on to this and keep it pointed at Drew.
Wait. What? Let me
Keep
see.
it pointed at Drew.
Take that with us. I'm dropping.
Keep it pointed at Drew.
Okay. Ow.
You got hit by a pole. Okay, come to the other side. No, come.
Ow.
Yep. Okay, come here. You've got to try to get.
I can't do this. How am I gonna get down?
Let me get some stuff stacked up here.
Tires. Go get those tires.
Just let's try this first. Out that way. Okay. Try to sit on my shoulders.
Oh yeah.
Me and Ben do this a lot, so.
Yeah. And I'm way not as heavy as Ben. You got me?
Okay. Let's just go set you over here. Don't film me, Kate.
Yeah. Like that, how they're doing it.
And that's how you get your cousin off a barn. When he's really short. Hey, Kate, I think you just graduated to minor, junior cameraman woman.
No one wanna be in the video.
Ben, get down from there. I don't want you stuck there too.
Please. Get down!
No. No. To the rabbits! To the rabbits! Hey, rabbits! Are you good rabbits? You're a good rabbit. You're a good rabbit. Good rabbit. Come on. Why are your babies over here? Confused. Where you been? How's the kids? Ben, what the heck are you trying to do?
There's an alligator in the pond! Oh, there's not. There's not alligators in the pond.
Huh? Yeah, I forgot that one. Hey, Zeus. Do you like the camera?
Why don't you film all the bunnies?
Do you like the camera? That's what I'm doing. This is vlog 5 or 4. Bunnies!
Go away, chicken!
Oh, hey, there's chickens too.
Yeah, but you can only film their butts right now. But
Why?
because they always like that.
Bantam. Here, wait.
Hi, big
Hey,
boy
stupid!
butt.
Ben!
I did it!
Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna jump?
No, the blue?
Cena!
You can't, Ben. It's too steep. I got one. Think with that one. Yeah. Push myself off. That doesn't matter. Help it.
Okay.
I'm not doing
Other-
it.
Okay.
We can't get on this. We can't jump on this. It will break.
Whee!
And it's filled with light.
Okay, anyway.
Don't want to sit in that.
Yeah! It's good. Freeze your butt. It's got ice in it. I'm gonna go film dog.
Katie, this is from Jasmine's dish.
Doggy. Let's go see the doggy. Aw. Caramel's not out here.
Playing with orange heads. Dog, yeah, let's go see Lily.
It's Lily! Lily, do you know who Matt is? Do you know who Matt is? Oh, is that good Lily?
You are.
You're a good Lily. You're a lug. A big lug.
Here, Lily, shake it off.
Ben!
Watch this. Okay,
What? What? If I gotta get Ben down? Alright, let's go help Ben. Here, Drew.
shut up with this.
Here. Point this towards Ben. Down.
He is stuck.
No, you're gonna.
Okay.
That hurt.
Can I do it?
That was my finger.
Can I do it now?
No.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi. Did you try me to me? Katie. It's awesomeness. Hi. It's me. It's awesomeness. Right. So you guys have to go.
Stop.
See ya. Hey guys. Are you still recording? Where are you going, Ben?
You get Katie's face.
I'll cut out any part where her face is in it.
See ya.
Okay, I have to.
Whoa, cut out the part where I face.
You can't. You don't have the video.
And maybe I'll cut off your face. She's not supposed to. See you guys.
Anyway, let's go home. Let's go home. I'm not racing. I'm catching up to him. But I fell behind you. Catching up. All about. Oh, this one. Sorry, it's wiggling so much. I'm just recording my iPad. Oh. What? Well, I'm not crossing until I get to the top of this hill. We're almost home. I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. Just tell the world I'm coming home. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Let's go. Still nothing. Ruby! Oh, you're not out here. Okay, my dog's not out here. Let's go! We're home!
It doesn't look like it. Not the fun.
Okay, that's the end of the video. After we see my dog, Gravy! Good doggy!